What's up, everyone? Wait, am I even on the right bike? I just looked over at that BMW and was like, wait a minute, am I on the right bike? I am. What a day, what a day. What's up, everyone? I'm Bill with Cali Moto TV. This will be our final video for the day. Just a blast today, just an absolute blast. So today we're on the BMW S1000RR, my 2015. We're at Cali track days, but we're gonna go up. Let's see if I can get up here sooner than later. And there she is. So we're gonna pause this video when I get up here. I want to go ride with Bogna. So Bogna's out on the Sriracha bike in the B Plus group, and we never get to ride out here. So I'm gonna do a quick pause and we'll be right back with you guys. I'm gonna go out behind the girl in the tutu.
Okay.
So as soon as she's coming down the straight, I'll get out there.
Let her on your bike. I'm just waiting for one of the corner workers to call the girl in the tutu having a working brake light.
There's no working brake light.
Oh, it's not?
Nah.
When you stopped over there, is that a special light you turn on it?
Oh, is the strobe light on?
Well, no, I don't know, but
When you stop down there.
Yes. Yeah. But it should be off right now.
Okay,
Yeah, there's a...
That was a brake light or something.
Nah, there's an on and off. It's just an emergency light, just to...
Good idea to have all the instructors with one of those.
Yeah, it is.
Then they see that coming up when your bikes are parked there on the side of the hill.
Yep.
But I like you guys there because they know these green vests, they better be on their P's and Q's when that green vest is standing there.
Usually.
Yeah. That's why I tell Starter and Christine, I'm ever not here. Are you looking to go out with her?
Yeah. All right, so we're waiting for Miss Tutu. If you haven't seen the review on that thing, make sure you check it out. But we're just waiting for Bogna.
First one.
Here we go. I think Bogna's coming up. Let's go out for a ride with the lovely Bogna. So I don't think I've ever seen her ride the 07 Gixxer 1000. And just from what I just saw, she is hauling balls. Jeez. These guys by and we'll catch back up with her. Hold on, babe. I'm coming. Oh yeah, we don't have to use the clutch. All right. So let's catch up with Sriracha and the lovely Bogna. Working that giant heavy S1000RR. What's up, love? Wow, babe. Working it pretty good. I don't think I've ever seen this bike on track. I'm always on this bike. Damn, babe, you're moving pretty good. What's up, Sriracha? God, that's a good looking bike right there. Pick it up, straight through the S's. Let's just have a great ride with Bogna today. this thing. So, you know, she used to have a Gixxer 600. And the ergonomics on it's pretty much the same. So I know that's why she's just comfortable on this bike. I know she doesn't like this corner, nor do I, with the bumpies. Kane running us. Why are you trying to get in between us? My boy Kane, he almost bogged us. Let's take all these guys real quick. You ain't got shit on the Gixxer 1000. Enjoy the ride, guys. A little wide on that one. I should have downshifted for that one. Oh, look what we have here. The B group is popping today. B plus. Daryl Carpenter, if you guys haven't seen that review video, check it out. He's on an 08 Yamaha R1. Absolutely beautiful bike. I had a blast riding it, and it looks beautiful on track too. Look at that thing. Reel it in a little bit. Back on the throttle. And now Kane's back there. I think Kane wants to play a little bit. Just show Kane what's up. I think he's gonna walk away from him real quick. He's back there. He's back there. I hope you guys are having fun on this one. What a day, what a day. This might be it, guys. Might be my last ride today. Day. So I guess my announcement at lunch worked. I said we have about $60,000-$70,000 worth of motorcycles picked up this morning off track. Who's next? And crash truck hasn't moved since. Coming down that street, I got outside the windscreen, buck 50, and was like, oh my goodness. Oh. I'm a little off right now. I was kind of off kilter on that one, and I couldn't get the bike to shift right. What a day, guys. Ooh, yeah. Kane's still back there. Couple bikes back. You got up in traffic. I'm getting tired, guys. 2015 never fails me. This might be the last ride on this tire. The 07 just got a new rear. Times do you get a ride like this? Here we got our checkered flag. What an amazing day! Guys! Thank you for sticking around. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to go after this guy. Yep, I know it. I'm gonna go talk to this guy. I knew he was gonna run the checker. They don't care. That guy didn't care. I don't want to stick up with him because I'm going to pull this guy's sticker. He knows what's up. I'll give him that. And the guy behind me, I already know where he's at. I think I know who this guy is. Hey, Abbott. Glad you're here, buddy. Checkered flag goes out. 3 people ahead of me. And, oh, this guy too. Perfect. We can talk to, it's a 2 for 1. 3 people ahead of me on the last session. These guys both blow past me after the S's for their victory lap. Checkered was clearly already out. So they just want to clear, you know, they want to clear track. So this guy thought I was playing with him, and he thought I was racing him down the drag strip when I was trying to get him to slow down, and he didn't want to listen. He just completely took off. So they both ran the checkered. They know it. If they got problems, let's pull their sticker. It's the end of the day. I think that's what they anticipate. But okay. So Mike Abbott is my communication, because I don't know how to talk to people apparently. So what we do is we've decided to let Mike Abbott talk to people, because I don't want to say I lose my cool, but it's you know, the interaction that I think we will get with these guys is shit's given. So, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Look at this thing. We were running, guys. It's a great video. And then Bogner was out on Sriracha bike, tearing it up. Absolutely great day. Cali track days, Buttonwillow. You guys, thanks for sticking around. Make sure you see, I knew this was going to be a problem. Make sure you hit up the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment down below, say what's up to the dogs. What's up, dogs? All right, till next video, guys. We'll see you then. Thank you.